Today we're going to talk about the SFT10 pump. Once it's been plumbed into your supercritical fluid extraction unit, we're just going to talk about how to set up the parameters. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to turn on the main power. This is in the back right hand upper corner. So the main power has come on. The next thing you'll notice is there's a little light here, cooling. The switch for the cooling is located right under this panel. You're going to turn that on. Notice the light comes on. That means you're actively cooling the pump and actively cooling the carbon dioxide coming into the pump. So, the next item we're going to talk about is your mils per minute. This is a constant pressure pump. It operates up to 24 mils per minute. You always want to have it set at the maximum flow rate. How you change that is these up and down arrows. Here right now it's set for 17. That's typically, it comes from the factory with a random setting. We're going to set it to 24 mils a minute. Okay? By using these, pushing on the other down arrow, it speeds up it going up. You have now set it to 24 mils a minute maximum flow. Now, to go through the screens of each of the settings, you use the mode switch, which is right here. The next one up is the actual PSI set point. So when you do an extraction or you do an operation, you're going to actually set your pressure to some point. The pump will actuate to that set pressure. So for example, let's just set 2400 PSI. Once you turn the pump on through the run stop button, it will actuate to get to 2400 PSI. Going through the mode button, the next item on the screen is the high alarm. This is the alarm that shows you, will shut the pump down if it goes above this pressure setting. In this case, it's randomly set for 8350 PSI. We always want it up at 9990 PSI. Okay? Pushing the mode button again, we have the low pressure alarm. In this case, we set it for 100 PSI. So there will be an alarm that will shut the pump down if it goes above 990 PSI or if it's below 100 PSI. Now, pushing the mode button again, you'll notice that this cursor now starts flashing. This is the actual pressure inside your pump and inside your system. Of course, it's ambient because we don't have any pressure flowing through the system at this time. Okay, hit the mode button again. You actually have your actual flow rate. In this case, because I'm not operating the pump, the flow rate is 0. Okay, hit the mode button again. We're back to the beginning screen. The last item, you're ready to start flow. Okay, you hit the run stop, and the pump triggers and starts operating. Hit it again, the pump stops. One button that's not operated in the system is the prime button.